Okay, children, in this we have finished the first standard second lesson, the Madras Presidency. Now I am going to write the book exercise about this. Choose the correct answer, that is Unit 2, the Madras Presidency. So this we have already, I taught you this lesson. Now I'll write the book exercises. Okay. So in this, first one is choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Okay. First one, Madras Presidency. Madras Presidency was formed in 1801, 1800, 1801, and they given 1802, and D is 1803. So you can write 1801. Then Madras Presidency. Pronounce the word properly, children. Madras Presidency was officially renamed as Tamil Nadu. Madras Presidency renamed as Tamil Nadu in which year? I think in 1969. Tamil Nadu in 1969. But in your book the options are given. A is 1947 and B 1953 and C 1956 and D they are given 1967, but to change this as 1969. Okay. Then Mamallapuram was created by Mamallapuram was created by the dash. By which king? Pallava dynasty. By Pallava dynasty. So they are given the options. A is Nayak dynasty and B is Pallava dynasty and C is Cholas. So we already written the answers. I have just given the options, and D is British. Okay. Then the next one, which is called as the Spa of South India, that is Kutralam, which is called as Spa of South India. So the answer is Kutralam. So underline the answers with pencil, children. Leave one line and write. And they are given Bodi Nayakanur. This is in Theni. Bodi Nayakanur. Option they are given, and B is Oganikal, and then C is Kutralam, Courtallam, Kutralam, and D is Jinji Fort. So correct answer is Kutralam. Okay, and then the fifth one, Manora is known for the 8-storied miniature fortress. Miniature fortress. built by Raja Sharfoji. Raja Sharfoji. Spell the word properly, children. So A is Raja Sharfoji and B is Chinna Bhumi Nayak. Chinna Bhumi Nayak. And C is Timmareddy Nayak. Timmareddy Nayak. And D is Thirumalai Nayakar. Thirumalai Nayakar. So these are the options. Madras Presidency was formed in 1801 and Madras Presidency was officially renamed as Tamil Nadu in 1969 and Mamallapuram was created by Pallava dynasty and which is called as the spa of South India, that is Kutralam. And Manora is known for the 8-story miniature fortress built by Raja Sharfoji. Okay, and next we will move on to the true or false. So this true or false, you can copy down, children. Second is right, true or false. True or false. The city of Madras was the capital of Madras Presidency. True. The city of Madras was the capital of Madras Presidency. That is true. Okay. Then the next one, Uttaramerur, an ancient Chola village. Uttaramerur, an ancient Chola village is located in Salem district. That is false. It's false. Okay. Then the third one, Thirumalai Nayakar Palace was built by Thirumalai Nayakar. That is true. Thirumalai Nayak Palace was built by Thirumalai Nayakar. That is true. Okay. So copy down everything, children. Then fourth one, Coimbatore is called as Manchester of South India. True. Coimbatore is called as Manchester of South India. That is true. Then Gangaikonda Cholapuram temple. Gangaikonda Cholapuram temple is popularly known as Tanjai Periya Koyil. Tanjai Periya Koyil. That is false. Okay. Next one is the match the following. Match the following. Okay. So in this match the following, you'll put the numbers. Here. Kavalur. First one is Kavalur. Second one, Kavalur Kanarana after the Troy of the East. Second one, Jinji Fort. Jinji Fort. That is Ooty. And third one, Bodhi Nayakanur. Bodhi Nayakanur. Vainu Bapu Observatory. Pearl City. Cardamom City. And fifth one, John Sullivan. John Sullivan, that is Thuthukudi. Thuthukudi. Okay, so the first one is Kavalur, that is Vainu Bapu Observatory. So this is number 1. And number 2, Jinji Fort is Troy of the East. And number 3, Bodhi Nayakanur is the Cardamom City. And number 4, Pearl City is Thuthukudi. And number 5, John Sullivan is Ooty. So Kavalur, Vainu Bapu Observatory, Jinji Fort, Troy of the East, Bodhi Nayakanur, Cardamom City, Pearl City is Thuthukudi, and John Sullivan is Ooty. Okay, so this is the match of following. Okay, children, so far we have finished the choose the correct answer, true or false, and match the following. So choose is Madras Presidency was formed in 1801, and Madras Presidency was officially renamed as Tamil Nadu in 1969. You change that option, they are given 1947, 1953, 1956, 1967 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So you change that 1967 as 1969. And Mahamallappuram was created by the Dash Nayak dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Cholas and British, that is Pallava dynasty, and which is called as the spa of South India, that is Kutralam. And Manora is known for the 8-storied miniature fortress built by Raja Sharfoji. And true or false, the city of Madras was the capital of Madras Presidency. True. Uttiramerur, an ancient Chola village, is located in Salem district. False. And Thirumalai Nayakar Palace was built by Thirumalai Nayakar. True. Coimbatore is called as the Manchester of South India. True. And Gangaikonda Cholapuram temple is popularly known as the Thanjai Periya Koil. That is false. And here I said in the last, the districts of Madras, Chengalpattu, and the North Arcot, South Arcot, Salem, Tiruchirappalli, Tanjore, and Ramnath, Tirunelveli, Madurai, Coimbatore, all Nilgiri is included in the Tamil Nadu. And district of Malabar, state of Kerala. And Chittoor, Nellore, Kadapa, and part of Anantapur, Guntur, Karnal, Krishna, Godavari, East Godavari, West, and Visakhapatnam included in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, yeah. And Ganjam is included in Odisha, that is now known as Orissa. And the district of Bellary, South Kannada, and a part of Anantapur is included in modern Karnataka. So these are the districts we are having in தமிழ்நாடு. ஸோ தமிழ்நாடு டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ஸ் மேப் இங்கே தனியாக கொடுத்துருக்காங்க மெட்ராஸ் பிரசிடென்சி. ஸோ இஃப் யூ ஆர் ஹேவிங் த புக் யூ ஜஸ்ட் செக் திஸ் மெட்ராஸ் பிரசிடென்சி என்னென்ன ஸ்டேட்ஸ் எப்படி இருந்தது அண்ட் ஆஃப்டர் த இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் ஹவு த தமிழ்நாடு பொலிட்டிக்கல் ஹவு மெனி டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ஸ் ஆர் த 32 டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு நீங்கள் கடையில் போய்ட்டு தமிழ்நாடு பொலிட்டிக்கல் கேட்டிங்கன்னா தே வில் கிவ் யூ த டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் மேப் லைக் திஸ். ஸோ யூ புட் த கலர் இன்சைட் இட். ஸோ while coloring it don't use inside the blue, green, yellow or brown. Apart from this remaining colors you can give. Can you understand children? So remaining colors ஒரு district ஒன்று கொடுத்து you can write the name. See the how many districts இருக்குது நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டில் தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. Okay children, so go through this Madras presidency lesson and learn everything and copy down in your class work and submit the notebooks. Okay children, thank you.